Hello and welcome to our video. Today we will be talking about food additive amylase. What is food additive? According to Health Canada, food additives are substances that are used in food to maintain its nutritive value, enhance its quality, make it attractive, or to aid in its processing, packaging, or storage. What is amylase? Amylase is the digestive enzyme used to hydrolyze starch to constitute sugar such as maltose. There are three types of amylase: alpha amylase, beta amylase, and gamma amylase. Alpha amylase is the only one of the three found in human tissue. Amylase is found naturally in human saliva and GI tract, as well as bacterial strains. In the food industry, particularly in bread making, alpha amylase is added to improve the conversion of complex carbohydrates to simple carbohydrates. Similarly, in beer production, fermentation can occur by adding amylase, which could enhance the conversion of starch in barley to glucose for yeast consumption. This function makes amylase a very effective processing aid. In the human body, the pancreas and the salivary glands produce almost all serum amylase, 40 to 45% from the pancreas and 55 to 60% from the salivary glands. At the beginning of digestion, alpha amylase is secreted while chewing to degrade complex carbohydrates such as starch to maltose, which gives it the sweet aftertaste. Then, when food is digested in the intestine, another set of amylase is released to digest the leftover starch to maltose, subsequently converted to glucose for body absorption to generate energy. The enzymatic mechanism of alpha amylase is very unique and important. Firstly, it will attack starch molecules and binds them as key and log formation. Then, it will hydrolyze starch substrate at the internal alpha 1,2,4 glycosidic linkages and yield maltose, which is a 2-glucose unit compound. Hyperamylasemia. In a healthy person, the normal level for amylase is 0 to 137 unit per liter. However, a body may contain an increased level of pancreatic amylase in the blood. This is called hyperamylasemia. There are oftentimes no symptoms of hyperamylasemia, yet the causes of increased levels of amylase in the blood could be from inflammation of the pancreas, also known as pancreatitis, or if there is a tumor in the pancreas, salivary gland, prostate, lung, or ovaries. To mitigate hyperamylasemia, you should avoid alcohol consumption, red meats, and foods high in fat. It is advisable to increase high-fiber foods in your diet. And lastly, be sure to notify your family physician. Thank you for watching.